Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So I feel like this is one of the most beautiful castings in this particular case. I think this is from uh, B case if I'm not wrong, and this is a new casting for 2025, and it has the 60s batch here and 2025 batch here, and the Mustang specific logo here. So that looks really nice even inside the packaging. I personally like to display this particular casting like this. That's why I bought two. So I will be doing that very soon. So this one looks really nice. Let's unbox and see how this one looks. Okay, so if you guys are wondering about the price point, I think somewhere around 9.9 ringgits to 12 ringgits, because again I don't remember from which shop exactly I bought, because it's a mix of, like, I think 3-4 shopping malls and three, I think 4 or 5 very small shops, like the stationery and this kind of shops. So I bought like around 40 or 50 cards, I think around 40 cards. So whatever you saw in this past 4 or 5 weeks, I think in 6 weeks, everything I bought there, in those shops. So this will be the price point, but it started from 9.9 ringgits. Yeah, 9.9 ringgits. So if you are going to a mall and if you're buying it from Toys R Us, or I think Toy Zone, there is another shop in Malaysia I'm talking about, not in India. So yeah, 9.9 is the MRP, but if you are buying it from other shops, then it depends. I can't comment on that one. So okay, let's talk about this casting. This casting looks absolutely beautiful, and the paint job, this is this glittery silver paint job, and that looks absolutely gorgeous on this casting. And the hood detail looks really nice, and I'm happy they actually did this headlight details. You can see the grill details here. Okay, and it has tail light details as well, including this phony logo. Says GTD here, which is really nice. That is actually embossed. It is not painted, or it is not even a kind of sticker kind of thing. It is actually casted. So that is really nice, and it does have this exhaust detail here, which is really nice, more specifically for this casting. I'm not sure how many pieces are plastic here. Okay, let's see that. Okay, so the body is metal, including the spoiler here. You can see this is metal. The roof is metal, and it has rear view mirror details, and it has good interior detail as well, which is really nice. And the fenders and everything looks really awesome. And okay, the side skirts here, the front splitters and everything, these are like fully plastic. Chassis is also plastic. It does feel hollow, but it does have interior which is really nice, but it is not heavy. It is very lightweight. So I'm not sure if it is a cost cutting measures nowadays. So I really wish they went with a little bit of bigger set of wheels, because I really feel like this casting should have a little bit of bigger wheels, so that the gap will be a bit less, and it will look really cool compared to this specific set of rims. Something like this you can see in the Lamborghini. This one is Hot Wheels premium one. So these kind of rims would be really, it would look really cool on this one. I bet they will be doing a premium version of this one and the dark cars really soon, if I'm not wrong. So I did see Majoret's dark cars version. I mean, that was really gorgeous. Unfortunately, we are not able to get this in India. Anything in India nowadays. So everything is scalper's paradise now. Okay, let's weigh this casting. So actually, a lot of people are asking about me selling something from my collection. As of now, I don't have any plan on that. I personally like my collection. I mean, I love my collection. That's the reason I still buying a lot of, not only for unboxing purpose, I am planning to display it in future. So yeah, maybe not as of now, maybe a couple of years later and all, if I'm feeling like space is not enough, and I feel like to narrow down my collection to a specific brand or something, then I will do. Okay, so this is weighing 36 grams. Okay, it doesn't feel like that, but honestly I'm really surprised, and it looks really nice. And I'm really happy that it weighs more than I actually thought. I thought it's somewhere around 29 grams or 26 grams, but it's around 36 grams. So let's do a roll test now. Okay, let's do second try. Okay, the front wheel actually wobbles a lot. You can see, the front part of the casting, rolls like this a little bit. Okay, doesn't roll really well. Let's try one more time. Okay, reaches the same place. One more time. Okay, again it reaches the same place. Okay, so when it comes to rolling, it is not really that much of a perfect one, but if you want to keep it in showcase, and this is like one of the radical castings, I can say. So I personally love this, and I'm planning to swap some, not from this particular set, but on the sides which I'm keeping here, I'm just planning to swap this one and the Lamborghini Miura, which I will be unboxing maybe in next couple of days. I'm planning to keep those in those acrylic cases. So let's see. So a lot of people are asking about the acrylic cases as well. I did a video specifically on that, and just go ahead and watch that video. You can see that in diecast playlist. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.